Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a baby robin sitting in a nest. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me and you have your art supplies all ready. I'm using my markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw a robin's beak in the middle of our paper towards the top. We're gonna draw a curve. Then that's for the top of the beak. Then I'm gonna draw each side coming down just a little further. And then we can draw the mouth and then the bottom of the beak underneath. If I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video, especially when I fast forward. Okay, let's draw the eyes next. We'll draw 2 circles. Then we're gonna draw the highlight or a smaller circle inside to make the eyes shiny. And then we're gonna color in the big circle. This part will fast forward. So pause the video. You can take that extra time. Next, let's draw our robin's head. Up here, I'm gonna draw 2 feathers sticking out. So we'll draw 2 letter U's connected, upside down letter U's. Then we can draw the side of the head coming down and ending right next to the eye on each side. Then we can draw little bumps for the feathers on the cheek. I'm going to draw 3 on each side. Then we can draw the wings. I'm going to draw 1 wing, and they're letter U's with kind of a point, but diagonal. And then we can draw the wing on this side too to match. Now we're ready to draw the nest. Let's start by drawing a curve right underneath each of the wings. And we're gonna draw it 3D so it looks more like our bird is sitting inside of the nest. So we can draw this curve coming down and then back up. Then we can draw it curving around and going behind our bird. This makes it look super 3D. Okay, now let's draw really soft leaves inside. I'm gonna draw a couple bumps here. Maybe the same on this side. And then we can draw, you don't have to match exactly what I'm drawing, but we're gonna draw the fluffy part of the inside of the nest. And we can color this yellow and then the rest of the nest can be brown. Now let's draw the outside of the nest. First, I'm gonna draw a curve coming from behind our bird on each side. Then we can draw a little bumpy zigzag line coming down for the side of the nest. And this part, don't worry about trying to make that exact. You can just mix it up and see how some of the zigzags are going different directions so that it looks more natural that way. And then the bottom of the nest, instead of doing sharp zigzags, we'll do round bumps. So this looks more like there's sticks that are sticking out of the nest, and this is the bottom of the sticks curving. Now we can add even more texture to the nest. Let's draw some of the sticks. I'm going to start by drawing 2 diagonal lines right next to each other. And to make it more 3D, we can draw more diagonal lines, and we're going to kind of weave them. So some of them are going on top of each other and behind. So this one can go behind. And you could also just leave this part off if you want to keep it a little easier. So I'm going to just mix these up. Let's see. We're just going to draw crazy diagonal lines going different directions. And yeah, that looks really cool. And then we could just kind of repeat that same step all the way around and come all the way over to the side of our nest. So let's draw a couple more zigzags. And we don't have to fill the entire nest. We can just add some of this in and then we'll color it in with brown and it'll look really cool. So I'm going to draw maybe like this and some sticks going this way. Oh, maybe this one can come underneath and connect. I'm going to draw some this way. So I hope you took extra time to add even more texture to your nest. And we can also add more details like little leaves. So here's one leaf, and we could draw another one behind it. And let's draw 2 leaves on the side also. Now it looks really cool, except we still need to color it. It kind of just looks like a baby bird in a nest. We're gonna color it with orange and brown, or kind of a red orange, to make it look more like a robin. This part will fast forward, so again, pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings, and even add more things like a background. And we did it, we finished coloring our baby robin in a nest. I hope you had a lot of fun adding extra things and coloring your drawings. Remember, it's okay if your drawings don't look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and I'm sure your drawings turned out really cool. And I really do hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.